One of the biggest confusion in Java is whether it's pass by value or pass by reference. Let's understand this in this video. Hello, welcome to this video of Java Basics, and let's understand the basics. Data is shared between methods by passing parameters. Now, there are two ways of passing parameters. One is pass by value and other is pass by reference. Now let's understand what is pass by value. The pass by value method copies the value of actual parameters. The called function creates its own copy of argument values and then uses them. Since the work is done on a copy, the original parameter does not see the changes. Now let's see what is the pass by reference. The pass by reference method passes the parameters as a reference, that is addresses, of the original variable. The called function does not create its own copy, rather it refers to the original values only. Hence, the changes made in the called function will be reflected in the original parameter as well. In Java, variables are stored based on two rules. Local variables like primitive and object references are created on stack memory. Objects are created on heap memory. So when the formal parameter is primitive type, it acts as a local variable. This means the changes made to the formal parameter inside the method do not affect the actual parameter. So let's understand this through Java code. Here we have declared an int variable and assigned a value to it. We have also created a function where we are passing an int value. As Java is always pass by value, so the called function creates its own copy of argument and then uses them. Since the work is done on local copy, the original parameter does not see any changes. Okay, so here local copy of int variable is created, and whatever method function we are doing is limited to this function only. Okay, once we exit this loop, it will be cleared from the stack memory. And once the control is passed again to the main method, the initial value of variable is assigned to this. Okay, so whenever we are printing or using this variable after the function call, it will give us the initial value. So let's see running it. So we are getting 10 before and after the calling function. Hope you understand this. Thanks for watching.